So, do you want to live a happier, healthier, less stressed life and get free stuff? Of course you do. Who doesn't? I'm Julie Kaylin, and I'm often called the voice of happiness. And I recently started a free e-newsletter, and I would love to have you sign up for that. And you could sign up at signup.juliekaylin.com/newsletter. And in my free e-newsletter, you are going to receive a lot of great things. There's going to be, you'll get happiness, health, and relationship tips, as well as other great content, music, and special offers designed to enhance your well being. And as a thank you for subscribing to that free e newsletter of mine, you are also going to receive my free 5 minute Too Blessed to Be Stressed MP3 guided meditation, as well as a PDF e-guide, 15 ways to be happier in a hurry. And these are very trying and challenging times, and everyone needs a happiness boost. And, a lot of us are in isolation right now. If you are watching this when this video is first released, and, everyone needs a happiness and health boost right now. So these resources are really going to help you out, and I would love to have you sign up. Again, you could sign up for my free e-newsletter at signup.juliekaylin.com/newsletter. You get lots of great things, and I really think you are going to enjoy it. If you enjoy my YouTube channel here at youtube.com/juliekaylin, you are also going to love that newsletter. So please sign up. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/juliekaylin if you haven't yet. And again, the link to subscribe to that newsletter is signup.juliekaylin.com/newsletter. And and also please comment in the comments below with your comments on what else you would like to see in my free e-newsletter, and I would love to accommodate that as well. So hope you are all doing well, hanging in there, being as happy and healthy as you can. I think the free resources that I'm going to send over in my newsletter will really help you out with that as well. And I would love to have you as a subscriber. And I can also be reached directly at julie@juliekaylin.com if you would like to talk with me, the voice of happiness, anytime. Vocalist, singer, songwriter, happiness expert. I am here for you with whatever you need. So yeah, look forward to hearing from you. Look forward to having you sign up for my newsletter. Look forward to keeping in touch, and I will see you soon. Until the next video, I am wishing you much happiness and joy. Bye.